All right, guys, we're going to start looking at this boat. Now that I've had it a year, it'll give you a good idea of what you can expect with the Lowe 1648 Aura. Let's start with the pros. And now that we've got the picture of the back up, and hopefully I'll circle these areas for you. But right there, the boat is roomy. I can put 3 people in it. We have a portable seat that when my wife goes, we take that portable seat and we put it in the middle, and she's able to ride there. My son rides in the chair in the back, and then I ride next to him with the tiller handle. So works really good, roomy, and a pretty good ride with 3 people in it, which is another pro. With that 25 horsepower on the back, and it's a flat bottom boat, you're going to go about 24 to 26 miles per hour. With 3 people in it, you're going to go 24 to 26 miles an hour with 1 person in it. If you distribute the weight, you'll lose 0 speed. The boat really moves well, and that 25 horsepower is plenty of engine for it. I will promise you that. The other thing is the boat is extremely rugged. You can see I've got some scrapes and skins on it, but absolutely a rugged boat. Now looking at this boat, you can see a 45-pound trolling motor is what I've got on the front. That is plenty. Doesn't need to be any more than that. That is absolutely plenty. And with that 25 horsepower motor, you're sipping gas. So all these guys that are spending big money on gas, you're not going to. Those are my pros. I really like the fact that this boat is easy to sneak up to the fish. Most of the time with the crappie, I can get within 30 feet of them. If they're spooked, I can get right about 30 feet. So really good boat, and that's my pros. All right, guys. Now let's talk about the cons of this boat. And I'm going to flash up here to the front. If you can see, this is a modified V-hull. And what Lowe's has done is they didn't continue to the V. It kind of flattens out there in the front, if you can see. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that this thing does not cut water great. And what I mean by that, if you get in a boat wake or you have a rough water, it's going to get hairy. Now, it's a 1648. It is what it is. So don't be mistaken. You just got to be careful going across. But you're going to get a chop, and it's going to be fairly rough. Which leads me to another con is the boat. 1648 can be a little tippy. If you have balance problems, you're probably going to want to go bigger. You're probably going to want to look at a tracker that, 54 inches at least on that bottom, or something of that nature. So you're going to really want to focus in on that. If you have 2 people leaning on one side, you got to be extremely careful. And, that boat weight that comes in while you're stable, you got to think about that. You may have to turn the front of the boat into it. Looking back at that picture at the back of the boat, storage is also not great. You're going to have to put a compartment in. Now, I'm thinking about building a gun chest, not wide, only about 6 inches wide off of the side, making it custom so that I can put my life vest, put the battery charger, et cetera, in there, and it'll give you all that you need. So those are my cons, and great boat. You can't really complain, but it does have some things that I do wish were better.